Umin trirang ba ka Jylla konrad ke sangma hak arpnyo trik nailar. Ula pente papo ka yeng dor bar thawan. Baka dor jong kubi ka bala Hiar shadu ka arting ka shikilo. Bat ka bala penlong kinong rep bakin shusam no hauni ubnai baladam. Menta kala kiyo syak arpo do arpasan shikilo. Ya ka man lawan ra da President ka Voice of the People Party VPP. Bat MLA ka nongkrem uba Arden Miller besayman. Habak daw ya kajing syakta jang kinongrep ka bala penlong bakin hab jusam ya ukubi namar kajing bam lakdoar. Haba pensya halor kani kaman umin trirang ba ulaong. Baka ni kajing her dor ha ubnay naitung baladam. Kadai ka baju jia man kapor ya kabala sakhi na do kish post na mi baladam. Hakum kini gibenay. Namar ka jingwan poi bun kamar na kiwei pat ki Jylla jong kathan syatay lamik ni. Kadai ka jing halor ka jing dan jong kamar bar ka jing dawa. Ngimla ban ong baka rukam trekam kala pulam da ka bapet ya ka pajiatang hakasis ni. Ka jingwan tut kamar na syabar ka Jylla bar ka jing bun jong kamar kalam syak ni ka jing herdor. Henry mentah kala kiyo biang syak arpo do arpasan tingka shkilo ula benram. Umentri katanat karep karyang utimoti di Shira, shwa kani ula ong bakatanat kala shimkya, hadien jong katika jingja, bat hadien kani kador kamur kala kambiang.
I think recently we have seen in the media reports that farmers are coming to Shillong. They were coming to Shillong and distribute free of their agricultural produce because they are made to sell only 2 rupees a kg in the case of cabbage. So therefore, sir, I think this is a very important issue that the government must seriously and immediately take necessary step so that we will not see again that farmers at the next year will have to come again to Shillong and distribute free to the people of the agricultural produce.
Yes, sir. I was aware of that situation, and I called a meeting of the agriculture department, including the secretary. And when I called the meeting, the price has become normal. It lasted only for a few days. So anyway, whatever the member has suggested, that is taken note of.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I also want to supplement. This is, of course, a subject that is very important to everyone. But I would like to share, sir, this the aspect of pricing. It depends on multiple factors in the market. So it's a supply and demand issue, sir. And obviously there are certain measures that are within our control, certain measures which are not within our control, sir. Just to share with the House, this is a good chance, sir, for us to also give you a background, that we have done a study for the last 10 years. And we have always seen that in the month of July, there is a dip in the price of cabbage. It always comes down during the month of July. And our assessment is because the supply from other parts of the northeast also are quite high during that time. And we normally also usually see that the price of cabbage then from July, it keeps going up in the month of August and September. And so therefore there are multiple factors that lead to it, but the trend we have seen is similar. So we're looking at the supply chain, sir, and that supply is there because one of the main markets that we have is, of course, market in Assam, in Guwahati. These are the core markets where our cabbages go, sir. So therefore, these factors are multiple. So we cannot just look at one day and say that, the entire system has collapsed. There are factors that lead to it, and we have seen this trend happening. And just to share with the House, of course, we've got a very long reply. I don't want to take time on why or what interventions we have done. But just to share with the House today that we've been continuously monitoring now the price of cabbage. And as of now, so it's ranging at the range of about 20 rupees per kg, 20-25 rupees per kg. So at that point in time, it was not that farmers were asked to throw away their cabbage. It was more of their way to show, and we are with them, of course, that that they're not getting the price. Yes, this year was very low compared to even the July months in the previous years, but we were analyzing the whole situation that because of, as I said, the supply increasing from other parts, the flood situation not being as extreme during that period as it was, the supply chain may be more efficient in and around the Guwahati market. All these factors may have led to the price crashing at that point in time. So these do happen, sir, and it happens in different products. But as I said, right now, we're looking at around 20-25 rupees per kg. In fact, my report here says 30 rupees, but I'm sticking for a safe side at 20-25 rupees is the rate of cabbage as of now, sir.